If you are over 60, you probably know the frustration of doing everything right and still feeling mentally foggy and low on energy. What if I told you the hidden problem in your morning isn't a pill, but a simple creamy additive you pour without thinking? By separating this one ingredient from your blueberries by just 2 hours, you can boost the bioavailability of their brain protective antioxidants, anthocyanins, by up to 75%, reclaiming most of the power you are currently losing in a single day. That ingredient is dairy milk over your blueberry porridge or oatmeal. I am Dr. James Hart, a physician with over 30 years of experience in geriatric nutritional synergy, and I have seen this exact mistake silently waste the health of thousands of seniors. Here is the core issue. It is not only what you eat, but how your body absorbs it. The belief that if two foods are healthy, they must be good together is simply wrong. Pouring cold dairy milk on porridge and sprinkling blueberries on top is, in my career, the single most common nutritional blunder I've seen. If it leaves you absorbing only 25% of the berry's benefits, you are effectively throwing away 75% of your money and protection every morning. Today we are going to fix that, and then uncover 3 other foods that can quietly cancel the blueberries' power if you combine them at the wrong time. The first 3. Golden Keys blueberries are not just tasty, they are packed with compounds that offer significant health advantages, especially as we get older. Number 1. The Heart Guardian, circulatory health. Heart health remains the leading cause of death among people over 60. Research has shown that eating a modest amount of blueberries, about 30 per day, can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 15%. The anthocyanins in blueberries act like a natural lubricant for artery walls, dramatically improving their elasticity, which helps to stabilize blood pressure. Number 2. The blood sugar mechanic, balancing glucose. Managing blood sugar becomes critical as we age. With a glycemic index of around 53, blueberries cause only a gradual rise in blood sugar, avoiding sharp spikes. They contain polyphenol and soluble fiber, which help improve your body's insulin response. Regular intake can improve glucose metabolism and reduce markers of inflammation in adults with insulin resistance. Number 3. The digestive regulator, promoting regularity. A key concern for anyone over 60. Blueberries are a fantastic source of soluble fiber. This fiber creates a soft, manageable bulk that is easily moved through the system, a gentle way to maintain smooth, regular bowel movements. Quick interruption. Are you surprised that a simple berry can do this much? Type berry power in the comments now to show me you are ready for the cognitive secrets. The second 3. Golden Keys number 4. The cognitive shield, guarding against age-related decline. Blueberries have earned their reputation as a brain-boosting superfruit thanks to their rich content of anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants are your defense. They fight the free radicals that cause cumulative damage and accelerate memory loss. Consuming around 30 blueberries a day can significantly reduce brain inflammation and improve communication between brain cells. Number 5. The Vision Defender, support and eye protection. Our eyesight is often the first sense to show signs of aging. Anthocyanins, vitamin E, and carotenoids protect eye health. In fact, blueberries contain up to 30 times more anthocyanins than grapes, making them a true standout for natural eye protection. Number 6. The Internal Beauty Berry, skin rejuvenation and anti-aging. Rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins, blueberries help your body produce collagen, the structural protein that keeps skin smooth. Their antioxidant power fights back against UV damage and inflammation that cause premature aging. A note on practicality: when seeking the highest level of anthocyanins, aim for fresh, firm berries, but know that frozen, unsweetened blueberries are an equally powerful and often more cost-effective option year-round. 3 forbidden foods. Never pair. Now that you understand the immense power we are trying to protect, it is crucial to address the flip side of the coin. This is about nutritional chemistry. Forbidden food. Number 1. Cow's milk, the unsuspecting nutrient blocker. The core of this clash lies in the milk's heavy casein protein and complex lactose. When dairy is consumed concurrently with blueberries, your digestive system prioritizes breaking down the milk proteins. This significantly hinders your body's ability to absorb the delicate, precious anthocyanins. Practical interruption: type milk in the comments now if you have ever had blueberry porridge with milk. To meticulously safeguard and maximize benefits, one should aim to maintain a distinct 2 to 3 hour interval between the consumption of blueberries and any dairy products. I was seeing Margaret, a kind woman in her early 70s struggling with chronic digestive issues. I simply had her switch her breakfast to a mid-morning snack. Within 2 weeks, her chronic digestive flare-ups calmed down dramatically. Practical warning: if you accidentally consume them together and you experience unusual bloating or heaviness, that is a sign of the nutritional clash happening in your digestive tract. 3 allied foods, supercharge benefits. Now that you are keenly aware of the silent saboteurs, let us pivot and cast a spotlight on the incredibly beneficial opposite. 3 amazing foods that do not just complement blueberries, they elevate your intake into a veritable natural health-boosting powerhouse. Allied food. Number 1, plain unsweetened Greek yogurt, the probiotic powerhouse. Greek yogurt boasts almost twice the protein content of regular yogurt. This makes it an ideal food choice for diligently maintaining lean muscle mass, actively working to prevent age-related muscle loss known as sarcopenia. When Greek yogurt is thoughtfully paired with blueberries, you genuinely get the best of both worlds. Here is the key nuance: you get the full protein and muscle-preserving benefits of Greek yogurt by eating it 2 to 3 hours after your blueberries. If you blend them together, you must accept a temporary loss of some anthocyanins, but you still gain the powerful gut health benefit of the probiotics. Usage recommendation: start with a half a cup serving of unsweetened Greek yogurt. The acidity is far lower than cow's milk and the protein ratio is highly beneficial for muscle maintenance. Allied food. Number 2, walnuts and mixed nuts, the brain-boosting crunch. Walnuts stand out as one of the very best natural partners to blueberries. They are exceptionally rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that is indispensable for supporting optimal cognitive function. A note on chewing. If you have difficulty chewing or swallowing, use unsweetened walnut butter or finely grind your mixed nuts before sprinkling them. The omega-3 ALA benefits are fully preserved. When you strategically combine these immense benefits with the potent anthocyanins and polyphenols found in blueberries, you create an incredibly protective blend. Usage recommendation: a small handful, about 1/4 cup of whole walnuts or mixed nuts, is the ideal daily serving to leverage the omega-3 benefits without excessive calorie intake. Allied food. Number 3, banana, nature's perfect amplifier. The humble banana is in fact a nutritional powerhouse. The standout benefit of bananas is their ability to naturally regulate blood sugar levels. Thanks in large part to their high content of soluble fiber, particularly pectin. This works diligently to slow down digestion and effectively steady blood glucose spikes. When ingeniously combined with antioxidant-rich blueberries, bananas profoundly amplify their health benefits. To mitigate any rapid sugar spike, prioritize slightly green bananas, which contain more resistant starch, over overly ripe ones. Crucially, always ensure you pair the banana and blueberries with a good fat, like walnuts or nut butter, to slow down the overall sugar absorption rate. The quick safety checklist. Before our final conclusion, I want to dedicate a moment to safety. If you do not have these conditions, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who do, this is the most important part of the video. We respect your time, so let us make this brief and actionable. Number 1, blood thinners and vitamin K. If you are taking anticoagulant medications like warfarin, you must talk to your doctor before changing your blueberry intake. Blueberries contain some vitamin K. A sudden large increase in it can interfere with your medication, potentially increasing your risk of either clotting or bleeding. Safety protocol. Maintain your current consistent consumption level of blueberries and discuss any planned changes with your doctor first. Number 2, kidney health and fluid load. If you have kidney conditions, please consult with your kidney specialist. Some diets need restrictions on fruit due to concerns over potassium, phosphorus, or fluid load. Number 3. Diabetes medication and glucose monitoring. Because blueberries are so effective at regulating blood sugar, they may increase the effect of your diabetes medication. If you are on treatment for diabetes, rigorous and regular monitoring of blood glucose levels is imperative. Any unexpected changes should prompt immediate communication with your physician to adjust your medication. Number 4. Difficulty chewing or swallowing. If you have trouble with chewing or swallowing, you can still get the full benefits. Fresh blueberries can be easily pured into smoothies. Alternatively, gently cooking them into a simple sugar-free compote offers a softened texture that is easier to manage. So, what have we learned? It is clear that blueberries are an absolute nutritional powerhouse, but here is the final, most important takeaway: timing and food combinations truly matter. You have the power to protect their magic. Let us finalize your action plan with Dr. Hart's 3-2-1 blueprint. 3 silent saboteurs to avoid: cow's milk, the protein blocker; cucumber, the vitamin C assassin; pineapple, the acidic disruptor. 2 golden hours. The minimum time gap for separating dairy or protein from your pure blueberry dose to achieve that 75% absorption boost. Half a cup, your daily effective dose of blueberries, the proven amount for cognitive and cardiovascular protection. When you eat smart instead of just eating healthy, you are not just getting better memory, you are investing directly into your independence for your golden years. This is how you reclaim control over your energy and vitality so you can live the full life you deserve, unburdened by age-related sluggishness. Before you go, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for investing your time and trust in this deep dive into nutritional science. If you found value in this video, show it with a thumbs up and consider subscribing so we can continue to share this empowering knowledge together. Remember, knowledge is power and your health is your greatest wealth. As we wrap up, I want to share a reminder that comes from a place of care. Please think of the information in this video as a tool to support your health journey, not as a replacement for professional medical advice. Your own doctor is your most important partner, so please talk with them before making any changes to your regimen. Everyone's journey is unique. Thank you so much for your time and your trust.